It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Thursday, June 4th. I'm James Spann. A nice, quiet weather pattern continues through the weekend with a slow warming trend. Next week could be a little more active. Check it out this morning. There's an upper low near Greenville, South Carolina. And we are on the western side of the circulation where there is general subsidence, sinking air motion. And that will keep most places dry today. Starting off the day in the 60s, but look at Haleyville at 58. Feels pretty good. We'll expect mid-80s today. Some flash flooding issues out across the nation's breadbasket. And also in that zone, there is an enhanced risk of severe weather today from Kansas City up to Omaha. And that's where the action is going to be for the next few days. This is tomorrow. This is very typical of June. And on day 3, which is Saturday, a slight risk again for Nebraska, Iowa, and some of the adjacent states. And that's where the heaviest rain will be for the next 5 days. Around here, not much. This is the rain valid through Tuesday morning of next week, showing little at all. Tropical weather. The Atlantic Basin, very quiet. Over in the eastern Pacific, that is Hurricane Blanca with maximum sustained winds of 125 miles an hour. That'll weaken over the weekend and be a tropical depression by early next week as it moves just west of the Baja Peninsula, Baja California. And again, that could bring some wind and rain to Cabo San Lucas over the weekend. And again, some of the moisture could make a run for the Southwest U.S., either Arizona or New Mexico next week. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. You can see the upper feature east of Alabama, big trough over the California coast, with ridging over Texas and Oklahoma, and they are thankful for that because it will not rain there. And again, for us, today will be like yesterday, partly to mostly sunny with mid-80s. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 85. Tomorrow, upper 80s with a good supply of sunshine. And yeah, I know the chance of rain is not zero. If one little shower shows up somewhere, don't say, you said there's no chance of rain. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that most everybody's going to be dry. Any shower is very hard to find. Pretty much the same deal for the weekend. This is Saturday, and I think we'll be in the upper 80s. Somebody might touch 90, but we've got good soil moisture, and that tends to keep the numbers down a bit. And the same thing on Sunday, partly to mostly sunny, and I'd say the high will be between 87 and 90. Monday of next week, not much change. You might mention a small chance of a shower. And this is Tuesday. A surface front is north of the state, but I just don't think it's going to make it through here. But there could be a little increase in at least the chance of an afternoon shower. And this is Wednesday of next week. I think that would be a more typical summer day with a chance of scattered, mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. And this is a week from today. This is Thursday, June 11th. And again, there's this broad upper low that's around here. And that would suggest a chance of scattered showers and storms. And we note lower pressure down over the Yucatan. And then this is the end of the forecast Saturday, June 13th. The winds are lofty or light, and a surface low comes off the Yucatan in the far southern Gulf. We always have to watch for these little backyard systems that can form early in the season for tropical mischief down there. We've seen evidence of that, but of course, this phase of the game, that could change easily. Temperatures over the next 15 days, about where they ought to be, upper 80s to near 90, lows around 70. And temperatures above average out west, near average over the central U.S., including much of Alabama. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.